Good morning, students. This video is for class 6 science, and today, as we have already finished off with the explanation of the chapter, today we will start with the exercise portion. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. A substance that A, B, C, D, E, F. Now listen, when you write this in the copy, make sure you write the whole sentence, means the question, and then you write only the correct option. But don't forget to write the question. A substance that contains two or more substances mixed together without reacting chemically is a dash, is a mixture. The ability of a substance to break into pieces is called brittleness. Which of the following is a property of the non-metal? Now they have given you four options, four properties. Among those four properties, two are correct. That means non-metal are solid. They can be in solid or gaseous state if they are kept in the room temperature, or they can be brittle also. So option 2 and 3 are correct. Both are correct. Option 1 and 2. Both are correct. The process of pouring out the upper layer of clear water without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. Sorry. Which of the following method is used to separate scrap from the garbage heap? Magnetic separation. Next, sublimation can be used to separate a mixture of. So what is the process of sublimation? We all know that in a sublimation, in the process of sublimation, the substance which can sublime it, that means it changes direct from solid to gaseous state. So the option is sand and ammonium chloride. Sand and ammonium chloride. So please write this, children, but make sure, again I am telling you, when you write the answer, make sure you write the question. I am erasing this so that we can move on to the next one, that is fill in the blanks. And fill in the blanks also you will write question. Sorry. Fill in the blanks. Number 2, A. You have B, C, D, E. A dash is formed when two or more elements combine together chemically. When they combine together chemically, they form compound. Dash is the ability of metal to be beaten into thin sheet. When you beat continuously, they change into very thin sheet. That property is known as malleability. Dash is a process of solids directly converting into gases. Sublimation. Number D. Filtration is used when the substances to be separated are dash in liquid, that they are insoluble in liquid. Next, a dissolved solid can be separated from its solution using dash method, using evaporation method. Now please, children, copy this. Now, The next one, true or false. I'm erasing this. Okay, the first one, the property of a compound is different from the properties of its constituent element. So the property of a compound is different from its constituent element. Yes, obviously true. Because when these elements, suppose let us take an example, hydrogen and oxygen are combined, are mixed chemically, they form molecule of water. Now water has different properties rather than having the properties of hydrogen and oxygen. Next, metalloids have the properties of both metals and non-metals. True. Sieving allows fine flour particles to remain in the sieve while the bigger impurities pass through the sieve. This is exactly for the opposite of the correct statement. So the answer is false, and you strike off fine floor, you strike this and you write bigger particles to remain in the sieve while the bigger impurities, there you write strike off bigger impurities. You strike and you write here fine flour. Next, number D, sedimentation is followed by decantation in the separation of solid liquid mixtures. Yes, after sedimentation the process of decantation takes place. So sedimentation is followed by, means after sedimentation decantation takes place. So it is true. The process of evaporation is used to obtain common salt from seawater. True. So please write these answers. Now, question number 4, we will discuss that define the following. You will simply find the definition in the book. So you can write it from the book. And choose number 5. Choose the odd or not. Give reason for the choice. Out of iodine, camphor, sugar, ammonium chloride, the odd on is sugar. Other than that, every element is has the property to sublime. They are sublimable substances. Number B, O, that is oxygen, C for carbon, Au for oron, and Mg. That means all the symbol except Au, all are according to their own name, but Au is derived from their Latin name. Sugar solution, coffee, tea, coconut oil. Out of this, coconut oil is odd because it is an insoluble liquid. So by this you have come to the end of the short answer type question. The long answer type question and the difference between, I will be discussing those during the online classes. So children, for today up to this much. Thank you class.